The International Newport Boat Show. Here I am on the 350 Realm. This is a brand new model for Boston Whaler. Very innovative, safest boat on the market, and I'd like to take you through the 350 Realm. We do have triple 350s. This aft seat does pull out. Beautiful backrest, plenty of leg room for support here. Over here we do have the optional grill, refrigeration system. This seat does do a little flip-flopping, so you do have the ability to dine out here. There's a drop-down teak table that was set right here. You do have a little bit of a footrest. Under here we have a cool box, a little bit more refrigeration. Above me we have the sunshade that will extend all the way out for the person sitting here in the aft. As we walk around the boat, here's a nice new feature. This seat will flip-flop. This seat will spin around. And then you do have another drop-down table that will rest right here for dining, entertaining, and you do have a couple of footrests right here. We'll bring the helm seat back around. Two beautiful Marine screens, 15 inches, digital throttle system, the joystick option with the sky hook. Over here we do have a little cooler for the captain. Plenty of drawers, a sink, more storage. We have this beautiful windshield surrounding the entire boat right here. Everyone protected from rain, wind, and you do have a nice bent window. As we walk forward through the boat, the bow of the boat has this phenomenal seating. Plenty of armrests with cup holders. This table will drop down, and you can put a nice cushion on top of it to make a nice huge sun lounger right here. You do have a little storage under here, and this boat does have the optional manual sunshade that will come out for sun protection up on the bow. We do have the open array Marine radar. As we walk back towards the boat, this boat is optioned out with the isinglass enclosure, which will enclose the boat for temperature controlled air conditioning and heat, which the isinglass is stored up above. And then down in the cabin, we do have sleeping quarters for two. These beds will come together to form a nice berth. You have your TV and a nice size head, vacuum flush. Plenty of storage all throughout the boat. And as we come out, this is the 350 Realm. My name is Keith Abel. My number is 203-996-2599. For further information, please give me a call. Thank you.